distinguished delegates. The delegation of Argentina doesn't agree with this resolution because the government doesn't agree because the government of Cuba is so close. Even if they have trade, if there are legal trade. We can take an example, for example, Albania. In this time, it was in 18 years, it was a closed place, and there wasn't many trades. So this happens even in Cuba now. And I don't think that Cuba will...
Please use the third person.
We don't think that Cuba will be able to trade with other countries.
Thank you, Delegate. Are you open to any points of information?
Yes, only to one point of information.
Okay, is there in the house just one point of information? Domenico?
Okay. You Argentina, aware that I say that, and we say that we stopped the trading with Cuba and including all energy sources. You know that Cuba doesn't have all energy sources. So Cuba can go on with economy and...
Yes, I'm aware that Cuba doesn't have all energy sources, but anyway, I don't think they are isolated enough and they can get in. So they can go on even further. I think so.
Okay, thank you, Delegate. Can you please go to the left user? Yeah, and we have the floor.
We think that we are completely against this cause because we think that these measures are too drastic, so all other states would not have the cure or a part of the cure. Thank you.
Thank you, Delegate. Since we don't have much time, I think let's do it. Okay, so we are now moving voting procedure. So please come admin staff ensure the vote and take your vote position. Please admin secure the doors. Okay, so abstentions are in order. All delegates wishing to vote in favor of this bill, please raise your placards high. All those against? Abstentions? With 34 votes in favor, this bill passed. Clap is in order. So, Uganda, now we're discussing your clauses, so you have the floor.
Suggest that Cuba
should create an hospital in which all patients that are affected by this disease could be cured, so that they can receive the money that people spend to be cured, and they can even be cured from cancer. So we all invite you to vote in favor of this clause in order to make to solve this problem and to make the world a better place. Thank you.
Thank you, Delegate. Are you open to any further information?
Yes. Just one.
So, is there any other, just one point of information? Ira, the other one.
Why do you think Unesco should pay just because Cuba does not want to share this cure with us?
For us, it's important that people get cured, so we need to give Cuba something in order to have the cure back. So we think that it could be an instrument to receive the cure. Thank you. Thank you, Chair. I yield the floor back.
Thank you. So, because of the time, we're now moving to vote. Because there's another close to debate. So, admin, please ensure the doors and get your position. All the delegates wishing to vote in favor of this clause, please raise your placards. All those against? Abstention?
With a clear majority, this clause has paid. Clapping will not be in order. I'm sorry.
So we're now debating on Iraq clause, so you have the floor.
The delegation of Iraq strongly believe in the possibility of giving embargo to Cuba. In our opinion, it's important to share with the entire world a cure in order to cure illnesses like cancer. As human beings, we have the right to be cured exactly like Cuban people do. What is the aim of do not give us the solution to such a cruel illness? Power, money, obviously that cure has a cost, but we have just to quantificate it. We have to take in consideration the dictatorship of the Cuban government. And for this reason, we propose a drastic and effective measure that for the 99% will solve the problem. So why do not vote for it? Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Delegate. Can you please give the director the floor to the chair?
I will throw back to the Chair.
Thank you. So we're now voting. All the delegates wishing to vote in favor of this clause, please.
Please, admin staff, be fast. Take your voting position and secure the doors.
All those against? Abstentions? So this clause passed, clapping in order.
Delegates, this is your resolution. There will be no time for the other clauses, I'm sorry. You have done a really great work. Thank you all. You are dismissed because it's 6 o'clock. Thank you.